Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Chevy Equinox's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware malfunctions, or electrical problems, particularly in models from 2016 to 2023. Common symptoms include a black screen, no audio output, or an unresponsive touchscreen. These are frequently caused by software glitches, faulty hardware, or electrical issues in 2016 to 2023 models. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button on your infotainment system for 10 to 15 seconds. This simple reboot resolves about 70% of these issues by clearing temporary glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes to clear all electrical errors, then reconnect it. This can fix persistent issues by resetting the entire system. For black screens, check USB ports for faults and inspect fuses in the fuse box. Faulty ports or blown fuses can cause these symptoms. Refer to your owner's manual for fuse locations and replace any damaged components. For newer models from 2018 onward, check for over-the-air software updates that address these glitches. If issues persist, visit a dealership for professional diagnostics. Some repairs may be covered under warranty extensions, and refer to Technical Service Bulletin PIT 6004A for audio-specific procedures. To prevent future issues, avoid overloading USB ports with too many devices, keep your system software updated, and handle components carefully to maintain reliability. When basic resets don't work, advanced troubleshooting is needed. Use a GM Tech 2 scanner to diagnose issues. The scanner reads error codes, with U codes indicating communication failures. Chevy Equinox infotainment is increasingly software-reliant. Future models will have AI self-healing and mandatory over-the-air updates to cut failures. Starting in 2023, models use Android-based systems. Watch for cybersecurity risks and keep encryption current. 2019 Equinox had black screen issues, fixed by a GM patch in 2023. Experts note improving resolution rates with OTA updates. If needed, professional help costs $200 to $800, according to AAA.